Both of these portable speakers were built for crazy and aggressive sound, and when playing on max volume, they can pretty much disturb your neighbors. But that aside, obviously the ZE21 is the bigger one here, and previously we did an outdoor sound comparison between these two speakers, highlighting which one does it better in an open space. And without a doubt, the ZE21 is expected to be superior when it comes to sound, with a total peak power of 250 watts as against the 100 watts you get on the S78. So the essence of this indoor sound comparison is to point out the sound difference between both speakers, with the question of, is it actually necessary for you to upgrade? In this video, we're going to find out. And in this sound battle, we'll be playing both speakers on mid volume and at max volume to find out which one does it better when it comes to bass, instrument separation, which one has the better sound quality. And we're also going to be comparing both speakers on the 3 dedicated EQ modes, the bass, the vocal boost, and the normal EQ. Feel free to check out the unboxing videos of both speakers in this channel for more information regarding their features, price, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and do it to drop a comment in the comment section. I'd like to know your thoughts regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. Let's go. Vocal boost EQ, max volume, let's go. S78. Right now, we're going to play on normal EQ. Let's start with the S78 max volume. Let's go. Bass EQ, we're going to start with the S78 50% volume. Let's go.